Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to the NSOPL, also known as the National System of Public Land. This training module has been scheduled to provide a general overview of cave diving procedures and environmental awareness. We apologize for the interruption. We are currently experiencing minor technical difficulties. This broadcast will resume momentarily. Thank you for your patience. I now continue with an overview of cave diving. What is cave diving? Cave diving is a specialized form of underwater exploration conducted within submerged or partially submerged cave systems. Unlike open water diving, cave diving involves an overhead environment, meaning direct vertical access to the surface is unavailable. This condition requires advanced navigation training, redundant life support systems, and strict adherence to established safety protocols. Visibility may be severely limited due to sediment disturbance, narrow passageways, and natural light absence. These reasons, cave diving is considered one of the most hazardous.
If you're watching this, the National System of Public Land does not manage cave safety. They manage containment. They classify disappearances as environmental accidents. They attribute auditory phenomena to stress response. But they know something is active in restricted cave systems. It mimics sound. It repeats names. And they do not want divers to know that.
We apologize for the unauthorized interruption. The National System of Public Land does not endorse or recognize the statements made in the previous segment. The individual responsible for the disruption is not affiliated with this agency. Appropriate legal action is currently being pursued. The viewers are advised that falsified broadcasts, including impersonation of federal agencies, are subject to prosecution under national communications law. The material presented during the interruption was determined to be a fabricated hoax. NSOPL remains committed to public safety and environmental education. The description was scheduled programming. Essential equipment required for safe entry into submerged cave systems includes the following: primary and redundant air supply systems, a minimum of 3 independent light sources, continuous guideline reels for navigation and exit tracking, depth and pressure monitoring instruments, protective exposure suits appropriate for water temperature and geological conditions. Failure to carry redundant systems significantly increases risk of disorientation and fatality. All divers are responsible for conducting equipment checks prior to entry. Attention. We are aware of the current transmission. Please remain calm. This is not authorized.
Look at the meat. NSOP lied.
Shut it down.
This isn't a cave-in, it's a harvest.
Now.
Look at the flayed muscle,
This is an emergency.
the surgical
The system
hunger.
is not
It
responsible.
peeled those divers like fruit.
The system cannot
You fed them
stop
to it.
We are unable to contain the transmission. Cease all.
Look at them. Look at everything you've tried to hide, everything you covered up and dismissed as accidents, mistakes, or failures in training. You lied. You silenced the warnings. You reassigned the people who spoke the truth, and countless others suffered because of it. You're a sick man, obsessed with control, with keeping the truth buried. But now, the world sees what you did. The evidence cannot be erased, and no more hiding, no more lies can protect you. This ends with the truth, and justice will not be ignored.